guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang from McDonald's. So leave a like and subscribe and a comment if you want more videos like this and keep watching us. So we're gonna start with the Happy Meal over here. This is the new version. There's like mini little toys. It's kind of like mini brands, and it says little McDonald's on. I think the design's really cute. Okay, so first what we got in here, we got some apple slices. Really good. Oh, look how cute it is. It's a mini little Happy Meal. I think it's the toy. Then we have fries and a hamburger. A hamburger and fries.
Okay, let's open the mini Happy Meal.
Okay, let's take out the fries. Whoa, look how long that fry is.
I think he got some drink. Let's see what he got. Oh, I think he got those big ones. Stickers. Nothing.
Just a sticker.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
He got a cash register.
He got like this little menu. And this is like, you know, like this, like where you could check off the things that you get. So he got this one.
Then for the drink for the Happy Meal, we got apple juice.
Look how cute it is.
Okay.
Super cute. Looks like this, guys.
And then what me and my sister got, we got this. We got some fries. Then we got a spicy
ketchup and honey mustard. Fries, a bunch of fries.
Chicken nugget.
Got more, and then I got napkins. And I got chicken nugget. And I got my burger. And then I got more ketchup. And that's gonna be all.
Yes.
And then we got my drink.
Yes, then we got our drinks. So
let's start eating.
Look at the burger. So we're gonna open the honey mustard. Whoa. No.
For chicken nuggets. Ice cream.
Really good. Let's put this away. What do you rate it so far? The chicken nuggets are pretty crispy.
Fix the straw. My honey mustard. Really neat. The burger looks really shiny. Dip it in.
Let's open the apple slices. Okay. Some apple slices. The napkins are really cool because they have the McDonald's logo on it. Okay, let's try the burger.
Yeah.
It smells really good. I've had this before, but I've never had the spicy McChicken.
I'm scared.
Same. Okay, let's open it.
On the side.
Then we're gonna put a little bit right here. Yes.
It has like salad and the like chicken.
Hopefully it's not too spicy because I don't really like spicy things. Okay.
I do.
Okay, tell me when you're done so we can both take a bite.
Okay, let me put some of my ketchup. Okay, let's take a bite.
It's really red. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Mmm. It's really spicy.
Ketchup?
Spicy chicken.
Yeah, then it gets like spicy. It's not like it's when you bite it, it's like not spicy, but then if you keep on chewing and chewing, it gets more spicier.
Honestly,
But
though,
it's really good.
yeah, I think I like it more than the original, right? It's pretty good. Okay, let's try the drink.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Cheers. Wow, so yummy.
Yeah.
Papitas.
What do you rate the fries?
Oh, like a 10 out of 10.
Las pachanitas. Las pachanitas.
They're like so good. I'll pick that up later.
I got so many fries for some reason.
Yeah, me too.
Step it in some honey mustard.
I
love how they put mayonnaise and the burger makes it like really good.
Yeah. It's really good. Mine never had like one of these. I only had like the original ones.
Yeah, same. Honestly, in my opinion, the spicy McChicken is probably better than the Big Mac.
I haven't tried one. No.
Well, that's what I think.
Kind of. I kind of think that too.
Guys, wouldn't it be so cool if McDonald's made like dino nuggets? Dino chicken nuggets? That would be so cool.
It's really good.
Of course.
What do you rate the chicken nuggets? I really like how it's really crispy.
Yeah.
Crispy on the outside and really soft in the inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the hamburger is so good. Right?
Yeah, definitely. Need some apple slices.
Okay. I think there's only one more. Oh, there's two more.
Do you guys like pickles? Do you guys like pickles in your burgers or no? Let us know in the comments. I personally don't like pickles. I used to like them when I was younger, but I don't like them no more. What about you?
I kind of like them, but kind of don't.
What's that nuts?
Apples.
Apples.
Oh, so are you guys ready to go back to school? School's starting real soon.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I don't want to go to school.
Oh gosh.
No. And then it's going to be his first year going to TK. Woo!
One time, when I was going in like first grade, one time I pulled up an all-nighter. And I did it without my sister and nobody.
Hey, we'll go, guys.
Look how silly his straw is. It's so long.
Yeah.
Oi. My papitas,
I'm
guys.
gonna get more bites of this.
My papitas, guys. My papitas. I got it.
No.
Maybe when school starts soon, since school is starting soon again, we'll probably do like a back to school haul, or we'll do like a back to school shopping spree to go and get like our materials and everything.
Yeah. Like getting out backpacks, stuff like that.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments if you have any video ideas that you guys would like us to try, or any fun challenges, or like any games.
I will go, guys. There you go.
Like any challenges.
La manzanita. Con la manzanita. No, yo solo tengo unos. No hay como los. Con la gota. Wow.
My
La comida.
I remember when they used to give like apples in my school. People like used to dip it into like mustard. It was really weird.
Ew.
They used to get like apples and they used to dip it in.
Ala pukul, guys. Pukul.
You can get more of my chicken nuggets. I only have like one more.
Same. I only have one more. Sure, mother. Hey, my chicken nugget. Hey.
But the toy that he got was really cute.
Mhm. It's like a little cash register.
Yeah.
I wonder which other ones you could get.
What's that?
It's right here.
You could get a car. You could get like the sign, or
You
like
could
a
get
little
like
store.
a burger grill and like a fryer. You could get a drink dispenser, a booth, a drive-through, the register, and the phone. You could get a phone. So order. I don't know what that says. It's like one of those things you can sell the order. McDonald's signs,
Like a spoiler
McDonald's
for me.
entrance, delivery truck, and then the gold Happy Meal box, boo bucket, play place, toy dispenser, and a Happy Meal and apple slices, kids fries, and a pickup chicken nugget, McNuggets. A Happy Meal and burger, Happy Meal and milk jug. Those are the things that you could get.
Here's one.
But the one that I really want to get maybe is a gold Happy Meal and the drive-through, the phone and the self-ordering thing, and then the drink dispenser and the burger grill and the fryer.
Let me see.
Here are the ones that you could get. Hey, who took my mustard? Here. I'm not even like them.
Ooh, I want the McDonald's restaurant. That would be so cute.
Sabi iko.
Mm-hmm.
Sabi iko, guys. Iko.
He doesn't have no more juice.
No more.
It has like crust on it. It has like crust on it. And then he got all these stickers. He got like money and like a hat, a card, and then like something like this. I don't know what that is.
So yummy and delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think that's gonna be all for today's video, guys. It was really nice eating with you guys and making a video about this. Let us know if we should do more mukbangs or if we should do more eating.
Oh, we should do like a cane mukbang.
Mm-hmm. That would be really cool.
Yeah.
Let us know more places that we should try eating, and if you have any video recommendations, please don't be afraid to comment down below. Please subscribe and leave a like and
turn on the notifications.
Yes, and turn on the notifications and leave a comment. That's gonna be all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.